Hey guys, so today sucks. Like, it's rainy out, there's nothing to do, nobody's home from school yet. I'm bored, I'm lonely, I'm sad. Like, there's just nothing good about today, okay? So I went back to school today because I still have all these meal swipes, and like, you don't realize, like, even like the food plans are putting us in debt. So I try to take as much advantage of them as I can. So I just bought a bunch of like random stuff with my meal swipes. I still have one left I could use today. I can't use them all today, which sucks because today's the last day I could use them anyways. Yeah, so basically I'm just gonna bring coffee and donuts and whatever anybody wants to them because I have like literally nothing better to do and I need to use up my meal swipes. And sometimes when you're not happy, making other people happy could maybe make you happy. So that's what I'm hoping comes out of today. Honestly, I kind of want to go to a gas station. If you don't know, I live in New Jersey and we don't pump our own gas here, so we have gas tenants. They basically just like sit in the cold all day and that kind of sucks. So I was thinking maybe like it'd be nice if I could bring them like hot chocolate or something, but I don't want them to think it's like weird or like I'm trying to like roofie them or something. I'm about to go bring a donut to Kayla. Literally nobody else is around for me to bring stuff to. So I put something on my private story, so until somebody else answers me, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Hi Kayla, here you go. So I just got a coffee for my friend Dylan. I'm gonna bring that to him. I had so much like coffee that I got and hot chocolate, like I don't know what to do with it. So I think I'm gonna go see if my grandmother's home because she lives around here. Oh my god, like you literally can't see me. This is not good. So I just brought my grandmother coffee. She wasn't expecting me and I haven't seen her in months, even though she like lives so close. Yeah, I didn't want to vlog. We just talked for a little bit.
A few moments later.
Video. Cold as hell out here. So yeah, I just took a final and I'm pretty sure I passed. So I wrote a paper about lifeguarding because that's the only thing I could think of. Now I have a coffee.
Thank you for the cup of coffee from Stockton State College.
It's not even called that anymore.
Excuse me, from Stockton University.
I brought you hot chocolate.
Thank you.
Here, I got you coffee.
Thank you. I did not get this.
Dude, go like you're going in the fridge and
Thank you for my coffee. I wanted Dunkin' Donuts today so bad and I never got there.
you just opened it and closed it. That didn't look natural.
Thank you so much for my Dunkin' Donuts coffee today. I wanted one all day long and I never got there. Thank you.